how to calculate the cost to hold your property. It's a good question. I get it all the time. We call this holding costs, but really what it is you've got mortgage payments, right? So mortgage payments. Sometimes your mortgage payments include your property tax and your homeowner's insurance, but not always. Sometimes they're disconnected from that. So like some people that are, you may have the property paid off and you still have holding costs because you've got homeowner's insurance and property tax. One thing about homeowner's insurance I should say, for people that do have a house that's paid off, is a lot of times they let their homeowner's insurance lapse. They stop paying it because they're like, why would I pay for it? I don't need it. The bank's not requiring it, obviously. But if you have a property that's vacant and there's no insurance on it, or if you do have homeowner's insurance on it, it still won't be covered. If it's vacant more than, I think, 6 months. Don't quote me on that, but it's like 6 months. Then you have to get a different type of insurance policy, which is called vacant property insurance. And vacant property insurance will cover your property if it's vacant, but it's more expensive, obviously, because the house is vacant. It's more susceptible to fires, to things happening because nobody's watching the property. Utilities, gas, water, electric, also they're expensive, and this stuff adds up over time. And you cannot sell a house on the open market without utilities on because you have to do an inspection. Make sure that you're calculating these numbers. And we all know electric is going up here. Next, maintenance. Properties every year need more and more maintenance. They keep getting more and more out of style, more, Chip and Joanna gains, making you have to update your house because it used to be you could paint the house white or you could paint it brown, but now it's gray tones and, these darker door colors. One of my guy friends, he's got a new house and he painted the door yellow. I would never thought of painting my front door yellow, but it works. It works. So it just is what it is. Repairs kind of goes along with maintenance, but repairs could be your house needs a roof. You know what I mean? Or it could be, hey, your AC went out, your water heater went out, your electrical is outdated, you're on fuse boxes. HOA fees. A lot of people in El Paso, my hometown, we don't know what HOA fees are because it's rare here. But it's like an association, a homeowners association. So it's like you have to pay dues every month to this homeowner association that includes like, keeping up with the grass or maybe a community area or a community pool that everybody uses. And that's what's parts of that. Or you could have a gate person at the gate to get into the area where your property's at. And that costs money. That's a HOA fee. All these things add up every month while you're trying to sell the house. So if you need to sell your house fast and you need a cash offer right now because you don't want to hold all these costs, give us a call today, 593-3300. And we'll go see your house. It's 915, right? 915-593-3300. And if you need to sell it, I'd go out there personally, check out the property, make your cash offer right there on the spot. Quick and easy. And I'll also give you more information about your property, about what it would be worth if you fix it, how much it would cost to fix it. And you can make the best decision for you and your family so that you can move on with your life by selling this property. Or if you want more information, like and subscribe to these videos or check us out on our website, quicksellbuyers.com, and you can see a lot more information on our website as well. And I'd love to hear from you guys. Or if you know somebody that needs this information, that is looking at making a decision to sell their property, share it. And if they end up selling their house to us, we'll give you a $500 referral. Just make sure they tell us your name so we can know who to give the money to up front. Thank you guys so much. God bless.